Namaste everyone, my name is Yeshpan Yadav. I welcome you all to Cyber Peace TV, and today we are going to talk about tackling child sexual abuse online. Until recently, child sexual abuse material, which is also known as CSAM, was most commonly found on the public web and the dark web. In these areas, the technology industry, regulators and policymakers have been making steady and measurable progress. However, in recent times, the distribution of CSAM has shifted to end-to-end encrypted, that is E2EE services that offer high levels of anonymity and often little to no prosecution. The research group of the Cyber Peace Foundation undertook a study between June 2020 to July 2020 to assess E2EE platforms as a new mode of CSAM distribution. The objective of this research was to specifically study and analyze technical, legal, and policy frameworks that can help prevent proliferation of CSAM on E2EE communication services. The selection of the platforms for the research was based on features which facilitate wider dissemination of CSAM, such as chat invite links that enable users across the world to join a chat group on such platform. The mode of data collection on the platforms was deployment of custom tools to gather data and then in-depth analysis of content and reporting mechanism. In this study, over 100 instances of dissemination of CSAM in just 29 randomly selected adult pornography groups on WhatsApp, while 23 such instances of dissemination from 283 channels analyzed on Telegram were found. Most countries either monitor content which causes invasion of users' privacy, or there is no regulation, and that allows free flow of objectionable content at alarming levels. The report presents an objective assessment of effectiveness of reporting mechanisms on the platforms and identifies practical ways of tackling CSAM while balancing user privacy. The report also proposes a model design and operationalization strategy for reporting CSAM in an E2EE setting which does not violate user privacy. For more information, you can go through the given links in the description. You can also log on to cyberpeace.org, and for any feedback, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can message us on our WhatsApp helpline number, which is 957 000 0066. That's 957 5 times 066. Thank you. This was it from the video today. I will see you soon. Good night.